Today, we're diving into the viaim NoteKit, a sleek, USB-powered AI recorder designed specifically for computer-based meeting notes. Whether you're a remote worker, student, content creator, or just someone who attends way too many Zoom calls, this tool is built to save your time, improve accuracy, and bring automation to your note-taking process. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Everything about this design screams simplicity and mobility. The NoteKit immediately impresses with its sleek, pen-like design. Weighing just 8.5 grams and measuring 6.0 centimeters, it's ultra-portable, smaller than most USB drives. Plug and play. Plug the NoteKit into your computer via USB-A or USB-C. Open the NoteKit app. It starts recording automatically. No complicated drivers, no setup chaos, just plug, open, and record. Works flawlessly with Windows systems. Crystal clear audio pickup. Thanks to built-in high-sensitivity microphones, the NoteKit captures audio clearly within a 5-meter range. Perfect for group calls, team huddles, or even in-person meetings. Multilingual transcription and translation. It supports multilingual transcription and translation in real time, whether it's English, Japanese, Korean, Spanish, French, or Chinese. The AI automatically generates structured meeting summaries, actionable to-do lists. Say goodbye to messy manual notes, real-time subtitles for foreign videos. You can simulate subtitles while watching non-native content, making it easier to understand videos without waiting for translations. Multi-device sync. With Cloud Sync enabled, your recorded notes are accessible across devices, whether it's your laptop, tablet, or phone, all under the same account. Physical design and controls. Circular LED strip for real-time status feedback. One press mic. Control. Quick mute, unmute. Bluetooth 5.3 support. Integrated reversible connector. Magnetic lid for protection. It's thoughtfully designed for professionals who value aesthetics and functionality. Compatibility and applications. Fully supports all major platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, Skype, Microsoft Teams, FaceTime, and more. Whether you're in a corporate boardroom or a virtual classroom, NoteKit keeps your notes consistent and searchable. Real-world testing. We tested it in a 5-person Zoom meeting and a YouTube language tutorial. Results? Accurate transcription in both English and Japanese. Auto-generated to-dos were actually useful. Subtitles matched foreign content with surprising precision. If you're looking to automate your meeting notes, break language barriers, and save time, the viaim NoteKit is one of the smartest plug-and-play tools out there. It's portable, powerful, and effortlessly integrated with your digital workspace. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.